We ain't gotta keep this on the low. Don't do it fast, we can take it slow. Show you things that you ain't seen before. Before you go, you ought to know I won't be catching feelings, but she got me catching feelings. I can't be catching feelings, but she got me catching feelings. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Now we cruising in the wind. She just couldn't wait to get out. She texting all of her friends, like, look at the whip that we in. We coolin' for the weekend. Drop the top and then we out. We do this every season. Sunshades on the sunny days. Doing 80 and we switching lanes. Just keep it cool and chillin' with the babe. Don't call my phone out here, what you say, or what you say. We ain't gotta keep this on the low. Don't do it fast, we can take it slow. Show you things that you ain't seen before. Before you go, you ought to know I won't be catching feelings, but she got me catching feelings. I can't be catching feelings, but she got me catching feelings. This a feeling, it's new, not new to me. Girl, you don't know what you do to me. So just run it back like a play, that play for me. Oh, the summer sun, he fooling me. Got me wondering about them all out. Copping roses till they all out. Balling out like I'm Jordan now. Anything you want is yours now. Don't worry about the how, I'm just trying to see you smile. We ain't gotta keep this on the low. Don't do it fast, we can take it slow. Show you things that you ain't seen before. Before you go, you ought to know I won't be catching feelings, but she got me catching feelings. I can't be catching feelings, but she got me catching feelings. It's on the low. Don't do it fast, we can take it slow. Show you things that you ain't seen before. Before you go,